Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to share with you a little pack with me. I'm going to share with you everything that I'm bringing. I'm going to go through how I'm packing it, and then I'm also going to try on some of the outfits that I was thinking about wearing. We're going on an Alaskan cruise and I wanted to kind of try out some different like fall layered sweatered sort of looks. So I'm going to try some of those on for you and yeah, show you what I'm bringing. I am gonna do a full outfits of the week while I'm there though, so stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, let's talk beauty and hair care stuff. So I have all of my hair care. I use these little like produce bags to store my hair care and stuff in. Also for hair, I'm gonna bring some rollers. I'm gonna bring this. And then I'm also, for sure though, I'm gonna bring my 1-inch little curling iron. If you guys haven't seen my recent how I've been curling my straight hair tutorial, I will link that in the description box, or I'll link it up in the cards. Put it up in the cards. So that's what I'm bringing for hair. Obviously my hairbrush. And then I have this little bag full of like my body wash, hair conditioner, body lotion, all that good stuff. And then you guys are gonna be like insanely proud of me. Scott was like, why do you need 2 bags full of like your skincare and your makeup? Can't you put it in one? And I was like, absolutely not. And then I was like, can I? I did. So I love this little bag. I got this on Amazon. It's like hard cased and it will fit perfectly everything. So I just brought the basic necessities and we were able to fit it all in. The only thing I do need is sunscreen. So let me grab that real quick. Can't be without sunscreen. And I always like to bring a new one because if you run out, like what would you do, right? Buy another one, Kelly. But you're on a cruise ship, so you can't. So the Ulta MD is going in there. So that's it, you guys. That is all of my cosmetics, hair stuff, all of that good stuff. All right, let's pack for my Alaskan cruise that we're going on in 2 days. I've pulled a lot of stuff, you can see over here, but I kind of want to pack things away and also try on some of the outfits because I've just like laid them out, but I don't actually know what they look like on. Some of them are new, some of them I just don't know if the combination is gonna go well together, so I wanna do all of that. But I'm gonna start by kind of lining stuff over here because I want to be able to try them on here and look in my mirror. So let's go ahead and move everything over there. And then I'm also gonna start with some packing cubes, like the things that I know I don't need to like try on, like my hats, my gloves, and my workout clothes. So those things can go into a packing cube so that they're easy to kind of keep organized together. So the smallest packing cube should be fine to fit all of my workout tanks and stuff. And I'm not somebody who like normally packs for workouts, but we're gonna be on the ship some days and we're not gonna have stuff to like, we'll have like morning free time, so I'm gonna work out on those days where we're like on the ship and not leaving for like an adventure until, or like landing in a port until later, and or not leaving the ship at all. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know that because I'm not like, I have to work out, but I do like to maintain a routine. So we're working out 4 of the, I think 7 days that we're on the ship. So I have my workout stuff and I just finished cleaning all of my laundry. So everything is good to start packing. I am super excited. I've never actually been on an Alaskan cruise and I haven't been on a cruise since college. I've only been on 2 cruises in my life. One of them was when I was in college to the Bahamas with some friends, and then the other one was when I was like maybe 10 years old with my family. So it's been a really long time since I've been on a cruise. Both Scott and I haven't been in a long time, and we are doing just like a couples cruise, which I'm super excited. So Arlo's staying home with Granny. So yeah, leggings in, and then I wear special like camel toe proof onion. Ooh. Did I say onions? Wow. Undies. So let's put those in there as well. I know I grabbed some more because I hope I had enough. Okay. fit all this in here, I'm gonna be impressed. Packing cubes are like a game changer, honestly. Oh, you can't even see anything that I'm doing. That was cute, Kelly. You're really good at this. 1, 2, 3. Can we fit it? Yes, we can. Can we though? Oh, actually no, we can. Hats and gloves. I'm gonna bring 2 beanies. Oh, and then I'm getting my little waterproof hiking pants in the mail. I think those should be here today. I ordered some water resistant hiking pants because I've heard those are really helpful when it rains a lot in Alaska, so. Evening wear. So these outfits I've already tried on. I don't have a ton. Oh, there's my other pair of socks. I was like, where'd they go? So these I've already tried on. I tried them on yesterday. I'm not really bringing that much evening wear. We're gonna be pretty casual, to be honest with you, but I did bring 2 dresses. I'm gonna do an outfits of the week while I'm there, or outfits of my trip while I'm there, so you'll see all the outfits that I'm wearing. For the most part, I think I'm gonna film every single one of them. So yeah, that will be coming up once we get back, but I do have a couple of different outfits. I'm actually gonna bring these in here. I'll bring this in here. And then, yeah, that's gonna be my night out looks. For next workouts. Okay, next I have some like loungy clothes, which again, I already know are gonna make the cut, so I don't really need to make outfits of them is what I mean. So this, some extra sweatpants. I'm gonna try on those jeans. This is gonna be my travel outfit. Some like joggers from Amazon, just some like chill pants to like put on. Go figure, Kelly. So we've got white and black and then a green basic, which again can be paired with these or just paired with a pair of jeans or whatever. my vitamins. I've got this little Amazon travel case for my vitamins. I have my daily vitamins from Ritual, so that's in there. These are the Hycera skin ones that I'm taking. They don't all fit in this one, so I put them over in here. The next one that I take every so often is the Detox and Debloat. This is from JS Health. I don't take these all the time, but on vacation I take them quite a bit because I tend to overeat and not move as much as I normally do. But I'm thinking won't be moving on this. But anyway, I want to bring a couple of those. Then my hair and libido, I take these every single day. So I need 9 of those. Wow, I have a lot of vitamins that I didn't realize that I have this many. Next thing, I take our daily allergy pills. So let's take 9 of these. And then last but not least, I take vitamin D. I'm almost out of these, but I think it'll be important because it's kind of rainy and dreary in Alaska now. So perfect. So we have my little vitamin pack. Let's make sure I have everything in my little carry-on. I'm gonna just use this little tote. I've been using my Neverfull for like so long, but I feel like I like that this zips and I can keep it kind of like concealed a little bit more. I don't know, I just like that. So in here I have like all my chargers, my pills that I talked about, my liquid IV, my Better Greens. I don't need this portable charger though. I'm gonna take this out. Don't need that. So that's in there. I'll keep my purse that we're gonna wear because we get to Seattle at like, I wanna say 11 a.m. their time. So we're just gonna go and wander around the city and explore. So I'm gonna bring my purse and I have like clips and lip gloss in there. My little jewelry organizer, some sunnies. And then I have an outfit that I will wear while exploring. So I'm gonna be going in like sweatpants and stuff, but I wanted just some shorts and a little t-shirt and then a sweater I threw in there to complete my look, and I'll wear the same sneakers that I'm wearing. So yeah, that's everything in there. And then I'm also gonna bring like a water bottle that closes. This one specifically is from Liquid IV. They gifted it to me, but it's by Mir. I love my Stanley and my Yeti. My Yeti leaks though, which is annoying, and my Stanley, you can't just toss it in a bag, and I wanted something that I could toss around for my cruise ship. So everywhere I read is like bring a reusable water bottle. I already do. So that's everything that's going in my little like carry-on bag. And then I just received my waterproof hiking pants. So glamorous. Look at me being outdoorsy. This is the brand I went with, Baleaf. Oh, that's cute. So I got them in black and green. I don't know if I'm gonna wear both pairs while on the trip, but I figured I'd bring them. I will say I got a size small. The website told me, you know how Amazon tells you like what you should be? It said an extra small, and I was like, no, I don't believe that. I got a small, you guys, and it's like, they're tight in the thighs. Are my thighs getting much bigger? Clearly, I've been having that issue. I've been saying a lot, like, these are tight in the thighs. Maybe my thighs are just getting bigger. I don't know. But let's stuff them in my carry-on, and I will be glad to have those. So that's it. We are done. We are ready to go, and I'm so excited for my little Alaskan cruise. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I will see you guys when I get back, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you. Bye.